guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a new squishy. Okay, so if you follow me on Musical.ly and you were looking at my Musical.ly like half an hour ago, I made a new Musical.ly of my bread, and you probably already know. So I'm just going to do an opening package. And I got this at San Manuel at the mall. So, yeah, and if you don't follow me on Musical.ly, make sure to go follow me there. So I took it out. And this is not a spoof, you guys. I literally got this at the mall. And you can call me a liar, but I didn't. I got it, you know. So, I got this colossal bread. And it's by Key Brew Bakery, and it says "Do not eat," and it's really cute packaging. It's very crinkly, and it's huge. It's bigger than my hand. So here's the packaging. It's very slow rising. So now out of the packaging, it's still rising, guys. Look at that, I didn't even notice that. There's like little wheat grains. Little grains on the side of wheat. I honestly love this packaging. So, you guys, it feels like a marshmallow. It's bigger than my face. I can hide in this. It is so big, okay. So, here it is. It's very big. Here's the bottom, very textured. So let's give it a nice squish, and it feels like marshmallow. Look. Sorry about my ugly nails. I need to get them redone like today. So, yeah. Sorry if you hear any background noise. Really squishy. So that's all I got at the mall. But it is like super slow rising. It's just so amazing. So, I hope you guys like this video. And I have a little bit of a secret to tell you. So my secret is that on December 3rd, 2016, I will be doing my channel's very first Christmas DIY, and it's going to be my Christmas series. And yeah, and it is going to be made out of these paper towel rolls. You're going to need toilet paper rolls. So it's going to be the cutest thing ever. I have it planned out in my YouTube planner. So, yeah, make sure to do this up here. If you can't read it, it says like. Where is it at? It says like. And subscribe. And I do a little thumbs up and then subscribe. And if you want to see a video on how to make this, it's pretty simple. But I can always do any kind of DIY for you. Please leave me a DIY you would want to see me do in the comments right now. Because if you want to see DIY before December 3rd, you're going to have to leave me a comment, and I will do it. No matter, because you guys mean everything to me. And I thank you so much. Make sure to go follow me on Musical.ly at Francis_DIY. And then you can follow me on Instagram at Franny6606 or Francis Jocelyn. Try both of them, I'll leave them. And then on Snapchat at Blisky94. So go follow me there, and then of course subscribe to me here on YouTube, and I will see you all in the next video. Remember to comment down below, and go subscribe to Gratificari, please, because she's so amazing. She deserves so many subscribers. She just does giveaways. She has no squishies, none, and all she does is review them and give them away. So thank you very much, Gratificari, for like subscribing to my channel and like doing so much. somebody is honking. That is rude. And sorry I have to use artificial lighting because it's like only like 5 and it's super dark outside. So I am not that dude who created daylight savings time. It's so annoying and irritating. It gets too dark, too fast, and too cold. So just remember to give this video a thumbs up. Do that up there. And I truly love you all to Mars and back. Bye.